Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REDMI K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, let's open the recent. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here. So something like that. And here we've got the recent. All we have to do here is to tap on this X button at the bottom, so your device will automatically close running apps. However, if you wish to close the app which is running in the background and is not shown in the recent, you have to find the app, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon. And then let's simply tap on force stop and confirm it by tapping on OK. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.